pizza has arrived for Papa Drew's meetup here at Quartzsite. All kinds of wonderful people here tonight. We have Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures.
I will never complain about Ruffalo.
And traveling down the banisters. And me, New Horizons. Roaming with Rosie. And so many more. And more guests arriving tonight and throughout the week. Quartzsite fun at Papa Drew's RV meetup at Quartzsite, Arizona. And slow momentum, I don't know if you can see it, dropped off bracelets for everybody. Join the slow-mo crew at Slow Momentum YouTube channel. Cooking over the campfire with a Dutch oven with the hot coals on top. Good old-fashioned breakfast. People drinking their coffee, dogs relaxing, people talking, sharing their memories, sharing their experiences on the full-time life road.
Okay, so where did you find it?
This came from a junkyard here in Quartzsite, Arizona. And it began its life as either a washer or a dryer. And this guy was gutting old appliances, and some of them were stationary, and this is the only one he had that spun, and I had to have it. So the beauty of this thing is that our Dutch oven, you'll see in a few minutes, our Dutch oven fits perfectly inside. inside of this.
Nice.
And it will sit on top of this thing.
Wow.
And that way we can heat from the bottom of the heat.
Yeah.
It makes for a really nice fire pit.
Yeah, it does.
And it's when you're sitting down at night, it's pretty. To watch it just kind of almost has a twinkle effect. But yeah, we love it. We feel real fortunate.
And it was built just like that. And you found it and said, hey, let's turn a fire pit into it. Nice.
Well, he was selling
Wow.
these fire pits, but not all of them moved. This was the only one that's sold. He does have some that come apart and the legs fit inside for the RVers who, you know, need a little more. But this one comes apart and we just make this.
So some guy just created this.
Somebody with a really good view on repurposing it.
Yeah, no kidding.
So,
We've had a lot of fun with it. We
hey,
cook on it and everything. Yeah.
Already.
Did you find it here at Quartzsite?
We did.
Oh.
And so then you decided, oh, let's see if our Dutch oven fits in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
I think he was eyeballing it from the beginning because he was like, you know, I want to try something. He went straight to it and, you know, brought it over.
The thing is,
Speaking of Dutch oven, I need your help.
okay.